Hey everybody, wanted to come outside and follow up on the lights I put in the other day because we haven't had a chance to get to that because you saw them during the day. So we have this set over by the fish pond, and I'm going to show it to you right there. It's on top of that. It's on top of that post. On top of that post. That's one of them. And then I have this little flag over here. Put a second one over here. You see it? We're coming up on it. Doesn't that look nice? That one right there. And it's just past a little sunset here, so it's not super dark yet. And then we'll come out of the gate. We put one on top of where this plant hanger is. Kind of just gives a nice effect. Isn't that nice? I have these set for soft white. I happen to not like the bright white lights. I have one over behind the fountain that isn't working right now. But we'll show it to you. It's back there hiding someplace. There it is. See? Right back there. And that's that one. So that's the one. And two on top of here. We have all kinds of motion lights here at the house when we come outside, so as you can tell, that one's really nice. And then that one. And now we're going to go back inside. But you see that one over by the pond. Well, that's it. Thanks for coming on the tour with me.